What's up, guys? Back again for another video, man. It's snowing. It rained yesterday. It's snowing today, and I'm not gonna let this keep me back from recording the video that I want to record for you guys. But today, man, we're gonna go snatch the distributor at the junkyard. We're gonna put it in the truck, and hopefully let that fix all the problems. You at school?
Let's find the
You at
forest
school?
friend with the same
No.
footprint as this one.
Huh?
That sounds good. Let's
You gotta get socks. But yeah, man, I gotta run some errands first. I'm gonna go to Walmart, get me something warm to put on, cause I don't have my jacket. I left my jacket at my mom's house. I know she's at work. Wallet's full of money. We're gonna do all this. We're gonna take care of that. And y'all take your shoes off. We'll bring that back in a second, man. What up, family? Just got back from Walmart. Did a little shopping. Spent way too much money. But I got everything I needed. I got some. The only thing I forgot was some actual work boots. I know y'all tired of seeing me wearing flip flops and all this other good stuff, but I got a nice little jacket. I actually got two. This is camo on right here, and this. You know, you can actually see the print on that one because it's dark as fuck in the room. The lights off. But this is a nice black and blue jacket. I got this shirt I'm wearing right here, just a black basic long sleeve shirt. I don't know where my other one went, but yeah, waiting, letting time pass by. I'm gonna go grab me something to eat, then I'm gonna go to the junkyard. And I don't want to take this camera to the junkyard and fear of it getting lost or stolen. But I do have another one, so if I do upload a clip after this and the video quality is shitty, that's why. See you guys in a second. See, behind this, man, I don't know where I left all that on this video, but I did go out and find a distributor at a junkyard. Thank God. But like I said, I'm still gonna buy a new one. I just want to put this one in to test and see if this is actually the problem before I go out and spend almost 180 something on a performance distributor and still do the same thing. So first thing first is I'm gonna get all these leaves down before it gets cluttered in the work area. And if you ain't watched this video on this, go check that out. I still gotta get the right screw for that. Get this out the way. Now, if you don't know how to pull the distributor out, it's one bolt. Let me get up here. And it's right there. You can barely see it, but it's like a 15 millimeter. That one, somebody modified that one so you can unscrew it with a screwdriver. You can see it. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the cap off. And be careful when you're pulling this out. When you pull this out, you need to remember how it came out, because it got to go in the exact same way, or your timing will be off and the truck will not start and crank. Now, before I go any farther, I'm gonna run up the AutoZone and get the little thermal glue that goes on here that the ICM sits on, so I won't have no problems out of that. See, I wiped it off kind of good. I'm gonna go get an alcohol pad at the house and finish cleaning it up. And man, I'm hoping this works. Alright, back at home, you see I got the distributor right there in front of you. Here, I had to go out and buy some cotton rounds and some alcohol, because they don't just sell alcohol wipes anymore for some odd reason. Oh shit. See how dirty it was? You want that bad? Backside might be a different story. Even though this side don't do no connection, still gonna clean it. Yeah, that was dirty. So now I'm gonna dry it with this. Alright, while it's drying, I'm gonna go get the ICM off the other distributor. But I'm gonna let this sit and dry probably about 20-30 minutes, and I'm finna get, woo! Calm down, Chris. I'm finna get the other ICM, bring it aside, sit it to the side, put the dial-ish grease on there. This is what I bought from AutoZone. Watch it. Something about the glue that goes on. If you don't get none, this is what you need right here. Like $6.99. But I'm gonna do all that. We're gonna slap it in. We're gonna cross our fingers and hope that it works. I mean what? Get it all put together, guys, and I got Jeffrey here. I didn't even check the views on the video that I uploaded yesterday, showing everybody your truck.
It was like on me.
It was on you. It be different from like all the views that it show y'all. It don't show. But I'm finna go ahead and put the distributor in the truck, guys, and we're gonna see how it goes. You can't see my fingers, can you? Here we go, y'all. Finna try and start it. I'm kinda nervous.
My jack is better than Christmas.
You?
My jack.
Your jacket?
My jack.
Your jack? What jack? That's good.
Mine's red.
Gangbang shit,
Yeah. More freight person.
I'm already there.
Everything's good. Something else. Be ready to go get the water hose. You got everything plugged up? You got everything plugged up? Make sure it's put down all the way.
Got the last clip. Y'all saw it didn't start. That's cause my dumb ass left some sensors unhooked. But I took the truck out and I drove it. I've been driving for the longest, and normally when I let it sit for this long and come back, it won't start. So let's see. Jeff is gone, by the way. He went back to work. We both went riding in it. Very happy man. I don't know what to say. That will be the end of this video. As you see, it works. Everything that I used in this video will be in the link in the description at the bottom. Also, could you guys do me a favor? If you made it to the end of this video, please go subscribe to my friends. I got Deadpool Z06. He got some awesome Corvette content. 1,000 horsepower Corvette Z06. And my partner Trail, he get over at King's Garage 901. He's got a turbo Trans Am speed. With the turbo come from a Huron speed, man. How could you not want to see that? He's in the process of doing a bid. I posted Ben went to his shop and got some footage of the car while it's in his birth form right now. But I've been so focused on trying to get the truck done. So hopefully next week I can actually drive the truck to his shop so he can check the truck out again. Last time he seen the truck, it was green and the windshield was cracked. So go ahead, head over their channel, hit the subscribe button, like the videos, and man, thank you guys for checking out the video. As always, I'm always here. I got another video I might do today, but it won't be uploaded until tomorrow. Maybe if you don't see it tomorrow, it's because I didn't do it, and I'm sorry for that. But I will still be uploading. Thank you guys. And before I get all the way off this video, big shout out to my boy Jeff for helping me get the distributor from the junkyard yesterday. He just popped up out of nowhere, like he always do. And I was like, Jeff, let's go to the junkyard. He was like, okay. We drove his truck to the junkyard. Got to the last line of where the truck sit. Found 2 distributors. The first truck we saw, we got it. Man, that was a blessing. I really got to appreciate that, man.